In this video, I'm going to be going through to show you exactly how to effectively and properly create your own YouTube videos for affiliate marketing so that you can make the most money as possible. Just make sure you stay right there. I'm going to be right back. What's going on, guys? Thank you for waiting on me. Yo, Antonio Carter here, Emancipation Occupation, showing you how to make money online, getting it any way possible. Affiliate marketing, internet marketing, social media marketing. If it involves making money and being online, that's what we're talking about on this YouTube channel. So go ahead, hit subscribe if you like the information that you're receiving or going to receive. Maybe you've seen some of my other videos. Also drop some comments below if you got questions. I love to respond to people. All right, let's get this started. I'm gonna give this straightforward to you in 6 steps. By the time you see this video, I don't know if this is 6 or if this will be 6, which one, but you'll understand what I'm saying. So if you look at my YouTube channel right now as it is, I have very close to 600 subscribers. Oh, that's not a lot. Yeah, I know. I don't have a YouTube channel of 20,000 and 30,000 people yet, but I'm very close to hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark. And to be honest with you, I really didn't start taking my YouTube channel very serious up until earlier this year. And if I was to show you my analytics, you would see that I have over like 400 subscribers over the course since probably like February or March or something like that. It's been crazy ever since I've been taking this YouTube thing very seriously. It's also revolutionized my affiliate marketing business on a whole nother level. And so now I'm revealing my secrets. So step 1 is find something that already works. There's things that make money. There's things that do not make money. I personally like to help other business owners make money. You don't necessarily have to be a business owner in order to be successful with affiliate marketing, and that is okay. You just probably need a couple of bucks. Well, if you're just getting started or you're looking to get your feet wet within affiliate marketing, I would just recommend that you get in a niche that is already driving all types of traffic for revenue, where people are actually buying. You don't want just people coming by just to look at information, just to read a blog, or just to watch a video. You want buyers to look at your offers. How do you do that? You research. You figure out where people are spending the money. These areas, markets, can be places such as gaming, dating, love and relationships, make money online. I mean, that's what I'm doing. Fitness, health and fitness, anything having to do with pets, gardening. I just rattled off 7 right there. Hopefully, what you're trying to do falls within one of those 7 categories. If it doesn't, pick one. Definitely pick one. Stick with it. Drive some results. If you're doing something within those 7 categories, it's very nearly impossible to go wrong because people spend money on these things all the time. So that drives me to number 2. Find your niche and create a YouTube channel on it. If you already don't have one. I have a couple of YouTube channels. I got more than one. I probably have about 5 or 6 more like it. I'm well versed in my skill set. I have many different things in which I have expertise in. You don't know what you want to do. If you don't have a channel created yet, what is your passion in? What do you like to talk about? What do you like to watch YouTube videos on? If I choose basketball because I used to play collegiate basketball, I can make a channel on dribbling skills or just simply basketball and then narrow down into dribbling, shooting, rebounding, stuff like that. If you're all about pets and dogs, you can talk about the different breeds of dogs. You can say this is the best dog channel in the world. That can be the name of your YouTube channel. And then you have the different types of dogs, the different breeds of dogs. And you have things such as like the types of food that they cannot eat, because most people want to know what dogs will eat. But if you spin that and you make things controversial, you can say the top foods dogs do not eat. Folks will be interested in that. So after you find your niche, you're going to want to go to affiliate websites, affiliate platforms such as clickbank.com, shareasell.com, jvzoo.com, cj.com, which used to be Commission Junction. There's so many different affiliate websites in order for you to get your affiliate products based on that niche that you are in. And that brings me over to point number 3. You need your affiliate products for your YouTube channel. Find 2 to 3 products and only stick with those. Don't go off and find other stuff. Don't go off and make a list of like 10 to 20. That's too much. You just simply want to create sales. After you create sales, then you can create other results. But right now, just buckle down. If you're starting brand new and you're trying to get success with YouTube and affiliate marketing, stick with 2 to 3 products within that niche and you will be golden. After you found your affiliate product that you want to promote, tip number 4, you will want to do keyword research to target within YouTube. This is probably the most complicated as it gets, which it really is not that difficult, to be honest with you. And I'm actually going to show you on my desktop here in a couple of minutes. You find your targets, you find your keywords that you're going to research, because this is what's going to help you drive the traffic. And then after you drive that traffic onto your video, step 5, you're going to create the video on that topic that you just researched. Now I want you to make a couple of videos, a good number of videos, not just a couple. The hardest thing when it comes to being effective in YouTube is creating content consistently over time so that your channel can build authority. You're not going to get 100 subscribers off of one video. What you need to do is create a collection of videos based upon the subjects that you pick. And then after you've created like 20 to 30 videos over the course of like a month or two, you see which video is working the best, which subject is working the best. And then once you find that out, you are going to dig a deep ditch, dig in the vein of that one subject, and you're going to stay there. And that's really what's going to help propel your YouTube channel to the next levels. Your channel is going to get lots of subscribers. You're going to get tons of views. And a result of this, after you do step number 6, you add your links to your video, you are going to make big profits. Ta-da! It's that easy. 6 easy steps. I gotta put my other hand in there. 6 easy, that's 7. 6 easy steps. I do this all the time. I'm gonna do it for this video. It's very simple. And pro tip right here. You don't have to rank number 1 on YouTube in order to make money with your affiliate marketing videos. You don't. There's been plenty of videos where I only got like 11 views and I made like $50 on the first day that I posted it, within 24 hours. True story. As a matter of fact, I think I can trump that. I think I made a video and within 24 hours, I made $460. Hold on, did I just say that right? Within 24 hours, I've made $460 on one video, brand new. And that was before I had my close to 600 subscribers. So if I can do this, guys, you can also. So let me go ahead, flip over to my desktop so I can do a quick run through and show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, you're now looking at my desktop. We're on youtube.com and we're just going to very quickly go over what I just what I just taught. So let's just say we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. For me, this is the making money online niche. I told you guys that you need to find something that is already doing well. I already know making money online, people spend money on that subject all the time. You can't go wrong with that. But I know a lot of you guys may not be interested in making money online. Some of you may be involved in teaching or, I don't know, motivational speaking, whatever that may be. In my case, this is making money online. I typed in affiliate marketing. It's a sub niche. Aside from I went from broad. Oh, my mic almost fell. Went from broad to going more narrow. Affiliate marketing is what I'm selecting. And the next thing, I created my YouTube channel, Operation Emancipation Occupation. I'm helping people get freedom from their jobs. They're 9 to 5. I'm helping you make money online. I'm helping you find freedom, okay? Emancipation, that's what that means. So I had to come over to ClickBank because ClickBank is one of the websites, one of many that I use in order to find affiliate products. And we're going to click Affiliate Marketplace because this is where all the products are at. And here on the left-hand side, you can select from many different things to choose from when it comes to what you want to market. In my case, it's going to be internet marketing. I just told you, Emancipation Occupation. And that is under eBiz and email marketing or e-marketing. I don't want popularity because I don't just want the most popular product. I want gravity. Gravity within ClickBank means that this is the most sold product. And the reason I want that is because, like I told you guys, I want something that already works, something that's working very well in the market. And so if we scroll down, you will notice that gravity is 89.89. It's practically at 90. And from what I understand, don't quote me, but from what I understand, gravity is the amount of marketers that has sold at least one product of, whichever one that you want to choose within within 30 to 60 days. Okay. So one person could have sold one person could have sold 50, but that still counts as one within gravity. With that said, you want to see what has a higher gravity and what looks pretty good. Generally, you want to choose something that has like over 50 gravity. You can choose some of these other ones, but if you're just beginning with YouTube marketing, choose something that is over 50 with the gravity. Okay. Then we're going to go back over to affiliate marketing. Oh, before we do that, in order to get your affiliate link, you're going to hit promote. You're going to type in your nickname, whatever your screen name is within ClickBank. You're going to hit generate hop links, and you're going to copy that and you're going to use it. Now, this is super long. And what you want to do is you want to go over to like bit.ly.com. And you're going to create and you're going to paste that code within bit.ly. And it shortens it for you, makes it nice, short, and beautiful so that you can copy that and then you can paste it somewhere. Boom. So now after you've copied it, you want to go back over to affiliate marketing, or not affiliate marketing. You want to go back over to YouTube. Let's say I want to say how to start affiliate marketing. We can imagine that I selected a product that shows somebody how to do affiliate marketing from step A to step Z, which is pretty much kind of what I'm showing you right now. But you want to sell a product that's going to make you money, not just a free YouTube video. So how to do affiliate marketing without a website. Boom. And as you see, some videos came up. And so this is kind of competitive. Affiliate marketing is a competitive niche, but there's a lot of new videos that I've seen come up within like the past month or two. So you can definitely rank in here. I don't know if you'll be in the first page or not, but that's okay, because after you create your video, you're going to physically create your video just like how I'm making with this one. I use a product called Screenomatic and it's free. The free version, you're going to have a tag on the bottom that says Screenomatic. In order to remove that, you just pay like $5 a month or something like that, and you can make all the videos you want without it being tagged. So you create your video based on the product. You share something that you've liked or that you enjoyed, maybe a new trick, or maybe you're just doing a product review. You're just going over what the product involves so that those who are looking to purchase this product, they fall on your video at some point, whether it is organically done here or if it's done by recommendation from another video. You create the video, you rank your video by using some of these words, how to do affiliate marketing without a website in 2019, something like that. You're going to look at some of the headlines that these top individuals are using, and you're going to mix some of these words. How to start affiliate marketing without a website for beginners 2019. Perhaps you can say step-by-step instructions on affiliate marketing without a website 2019. Boom, you have a title. So now you're looking to rank these videos with those keywords that you just researched. And then after you've created your video, if I click this gentleman's, well, I don't know him, but I do know Marissa, and I know she most likely has some affiliate links. Let's go ahead and click that.
Hey beauties, my name is Christina, and I'm so
Hi Christina, I do not know you. Bye.
So I am an affiliate marketer.
Yes, you are. And so if we scroll down, we hit show more, boom. She has a lot of links. But this is part of what you guys can do. This is the power of affiliate marketing with YouTube. Now she has some of her own courses. I remember her channel not even being at 31,000. It's really insane. Her channel has grown immensely over the past year and a half. It's insane. But she's also created videos every day for 90 days. And that's pretty much what I'm about to tell you guys next. After you created your links, your YouTube or your affiliate links, or links to, maybe you have your own programs and you want to promote it here, you're going to put that under the description, and you're going to save your video, upload it here on YouTube. Make sure that the file name of your YouTube video is whatever you want your headline to be, because that's how you're going to be ranking your video. That's how YouTube is going to use its algorithm to find your video to put it in front of others. After all this is done, guys, first of all, give yourself a hand clap after that, because you've done what most people will not do. This is how a lot of people are making money every day, being six-figure earners and seven-figure earners all day. But Marissa, going back to her, she grinded. Every day she posted a video. It doesn't have to be super professional. It doesn't have to have letters and stuff like she has here. And she just uploaded videos. So for 90 days, she just uploaded them, and you will see that if it was your channel, you'll be touching on different subjects. Maybe it's affiliate marketing. Maybe it's Facebook marketing. Maybe it's Instagram marketing. You will notice that your audience will begin to grow immensely with one of those videos or one of those subjects. Once you find out what video is giving you the most views within like a short time period, within like 7 days, you stick with that subject, and then you just hit that subject all the time. After you do that, you will get explosion within your YouTube video, within your affiliate marketing. Even without getting all the views, you're still going to get traffic and leads with your affiliate marketing. So all this hard work that's going to be done is not done for no reason, okay? You will see the results, I promise you, but you have to stick with it, and you will grind, and you will be happy that you did that. Plus, this is free. I mean, you're not paying for nothing. Are you kidding me? So just take out a couple of minutes, probably take about 10 minutes time, create your video, upload it on YouTube, do some keyword research, optimize your videos, and watch those views crank and those subscribers as well. What do you know? 3 months later, you'll probably be hitting me up thanking me. Okay. So that was it for this video. Hopefully I brought some good value. If you felt like I gave you some value, please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button so that you can get more content such as this. If you want more content like this, drop me a comment below under the video. I kind of ran through things, but I can go more into detail about other things if you want me to. I won't do it if you don't want me to. I need your input. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to check my affiliate links down below this video as well. I got a lot of free resources for you guys. We'll see you later.